A straight line meets the circle at the points A and B. Write down the equation of the straight line. So if I just pick 3 coordinates, and I'll write down those coordinates, so that's 2, 2, 0, 2, and minus 2, 2, I can clearly see that it's the y that's always the same, so y is 2. So that's the answer to part A. Find the coordinates of the points A and B. Give your answer in surd form. So I first need to figure out what this equation of this circle is. So I know that the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared is r squared. Now the radius of my circle here is 5. So that's x squared plus y squared is 5 squared. So x squared plus y squared is 25. Now I want to know that I'm effectively solving 2 simultaneous equations. I want to know what is the x value, so what is this value, when y is 2. So that obviously we've got the equation of the straight line y is 2. So I'm going to put in y is 2 into my circle equation. X squared plus 2 squared is 25. So I've got x squared plus 4 is 25. Do a bit of balance method. So I'm going to take away 4 from both sides. So x squared is 21. Which means that x, I need to square root both sides. And when you square root, you're going to have a positive and negative value. So it's going to be positive or negative of the square root of 21. And you do just need to check, can that surd be simplified anymore? And we know that 21, the only 2 numbers that go into it other than 1 and 21 is 3 and 7, and neither of those are square numbers. So that's as simple as it can be. So it's plus or minus the square root of 21.